Hey, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. I am your English teacher Archana Singh, welcoming you all to the English class. So, today we will read a very beautiful poem by Harry Behan. The poem name is Trees Are the Kindest Things We Know. I know. We all know that trees are so kind that they help us in any means. By they help us in uh, many manner. That is, they don't ask anything in return, right? They help us selflessly, isn't it? So today we will read what is the importance of trees, what does they teach, and what lesson we are learning from the trees and how they are helping us, right? So let's start. Trees are the kindest thing I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. Means trees are the kindest thing we all know, that they don't harm, they just simply grow. They give a shade not for only cows, they give a shade for humans and as well as for birds also. See, and gather birds among the boughs. Boughs means branches. The branches where the birds rest and make their nests, right? They are the first when days begin to touch the beam of the morning sun. Very nicely said. We all know trees are the first who fetch the morning sun rays, right, before us. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And obviously, they are the last to hold the light when the sun sets in the evening. They hold the light and the evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. And at night, when moon floats in the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Hum means they sing a song in a very low voice. And drowsy means sleepy, feeling sleepy. Lullaby means a song that is sung to make asleep a small child. Right? Of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest thing I know. We all know that trees are the kindest thing. Okay. I hope you have understood the poem. If not, you can ask me and I'll again explain you. So let's move to the summary of the poem. Trees are the kindest of all things that we know because they do not harm anyone. They grow peacefully and spread their branches all around. Cows rest in their shade and birds gather to rest in their boughs. When the day begins, the first beam of the morning sun falls on the trees. They are the last to hold the light of the sun when the day turns into night. During the night, the moon floats on the sky and the leaves move about silently, humming a lullaby to help the children asleep. We all know, as I said before, the trees have been serving mankind selflessly for ages. Hence, they are the kindest things that we know. Very true. Now we will move to the next. That is, describe the three acts of kindness shown by trees. They don't harm, they simply grow. They spread a shade for sleepy cows. They hum a drowsy lullaby. Next, complete the following table of rhyming words. Pick out one rhyming word and text of one of your own choice. See, I have already done for you. If you found many more, you can write it. No, grow, cows, bows, begun, sun, light, night, so, row, arouse, mouse, none, done, right. Okay. B6. Find out from the poem the words which mean the same as the words given below. The branches of the tree bows, a song that is sung to put a baby to sleep, lullaby. Sleepy, drowsy, to sing in a low tone, hum. Rays, beams. And the B7 value based questions. Why does the poet call the trees kind? I have already chosen the option that is all of the above. The reason I have written in the copy, so I will share the snap when I will be sharing in the WhatsApp. Okay. What do trees teach us? We all know that trees teach us to heal with the environment, right? If our environment will be fresh, the trees will be also fresh and they will be also lively, right? So this question answer I have also written in the copy. I'll share it out in the mode of snap on in the WhatsApp. Okay. So I hope you have all understood the poem and the exercises which are done, and all the exercises should be done in the copy as well as in the book. Okay, so by this I'll end my class. I hope you have all enjoyed the poem. So take care all of you. Be in home, stay fit, stay strong, stay happy. Give your assignments and get checked your assignments on time, and listen to your elders, grandparents and teachers, and stay at home. Bye students, take care all of you. Have a nice day. Bye.